Alright, what we have here is RENNtech's HHT handheld tuner and the box that it comes in. It's an ECU tuner. Let's see what it looks like. What we have inside the box, we have the installation guide and operator manual. A couple of pages here, shouldn't be too difficult. And the module itself. RENNtech. Back here we have the serial number of it. These are all individually programmed for the car, specific to the VIN number. Won't work on any other car. There's the OBD2 port connection. And here on top we have a little switch for stock and tuned. Tuned being the file that we're looking for, and stock has the firmware of your car, returning it to baseline each time around. Micro USB, it's not used on this module, and then the LED indicator light, which will tell you when it's communicating with the ECU, it'll be red. When it's done, it's going to be green, and any possible faults or errors will appear here as well as red blinking lights, either 2, 3, or 4. But that's about it. Let's see if we can get this installed. Let's put it back in here. Close the box up. Let's go get it done. Alright, we're going to install this HHT to our 2019 AMG GT 63 4-door. To get things going, what we need to do is get into key position 2. To do so, press the Start/Stop button 2 times. You know you will be in key position 2 when the dash lights up and the air conditioning is flowing. Select either tuned or stock from the top of the HHT, we're going for tuned, and locate the OBD2 port in the driver's side footwell. On the GT63, it's right next to the hood release latch. Plug in the HHT, it will flash green and then turn solid red. This means that it's communicating with the ECU, and it will take about 2 minutes. Once done, the light will turn green. This means that it's successfully paired to your car, and it is safe to remove the HHT. If you wish to revert back to stock or to tuned, you can do that at any time. I store the HHT here in the box. It's a nice box, and it will keep it safe. Now all there's left to do is to drive.